Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm making dinner, so I thought I would make a Fishwich, which is basically it's fried fish on a burger bun. So basically, or a fish burger. I guess you could say fish sandwich too. You know, I've fried fish plenty of times on this channel, but sometimes you just have to make what sounds good. So I got some sweet potato fries in the oven. They came out a little white, but I might have grabbed a yam instead, I'm not sure. Hopefully they'll taste good, if not, oops. So, let's get to it. My oil is heating up. I got $6.20 worth of Pacific cod here. My goal is to make 2 Fishwiches. Let me get this tail end here. I want to check it for, it should be boneless. I think I'm going to do 3 pieces. And one will be kind of thick, but that's alright. How's my oil? Oh, my oil is climbing, so I'm gonna put a little MSG on my fish. Season it first. I actually looked it up. They said MSG can be used on fish. I watch a lot of Uncle Roger, so just a sprinkle, not too much. Trim off those little pieces kind of hanging. Alright. Sweet. So, got my flour, my panko, or my Parmesan panko. What's the oil at? Oh, I think it's close enough. Let's go with the big piece first. So, dust and flour. An egg wash, which is just 2 beaten eggs, a little bit of water. And then we'll get it right in the panko. Panko with Parmesan, by the way. And then we'll drop that guy right in the oil. Sweet. Oops, I guess you couldn't see that. You didn't see the drop. Sorry about that. The next piece I'll show the drop. Make sure it's not sticking in the bottom. There we go. Remember what I said about tongue safety. Never lift above your hand. Basically, if I fry anything, I'm just going to continue mentioning it because, you know, grease burns. I can tell you from experience, grease burns really suck. They suck bad. I know because I've done it. We got the next one here. And this little guy here. Basically the tail piece. There we go. I'm gonna be done a little quicker than I thought. I'll just check this big guy. I can find you. Little guy here. There we go. Oh, don't fall apart on me. Yeah, what a jerk. Kill the and turn off my stove too, because my I think yam potato fries, actually I know they're done because I already checked them. I'll poke clean. I was trying to go for like a french fry, but maybe I should have fried them. It's alright. I mean, they kind of look like fries. Yeah, they're not super limp. Seem to have shrunk a little bit too, but that's all right. Let's wrap this up real quick. Oh, I forgot to do. I was gonna do a corn for vegetable, and I completely forgot. Crap, because I had another corn in the refrigerator. I like American cheese on my Fishwich, so I'm gonna do that. Get them on there while they're kind of hot still. This little guy here, I'll just eat plain. It's no big deal. I had some lemon too, and I completely forgot. Since it doesn't look like it's in a state of melt yet, I'll just get that seed off of there. I could broil this and melt the cheese. I'm not really that worried about it, to be honest, because one, I'm hungry, and two, I don't care. It's gonna taste just fine the way it is. So let's get the fun out. Everything is off. Now it'd be nice to toast the bun, but because I'm hungry and pressed for time, I'm not gonna. So it's a little tartar sauce on said bun. I'll just use the knife I cut the lemon with, because whatever. That works. Oh man, look at that guy. Look how nice and thick that is. Oh man. We're gonna eat some sweet potato fries, or yam fries, or whatever the hell you were gonna call them. I don't have to worry about putting seasonings on them because I already seasoned them in the bowl. Salt. What else I put on here? A little bit of sloppy mama, just for a little bit of heat. A little olive oil, you know they stuck anyway. There we go. Let's go sit down and eat. All right, here's another look. Give this try. Give this guy a taste. The fries are kind of interesting. All right, try a fry first, 'cause I'm curious. You know what? I actually like those. That sloppy mama's coming through too. Wow. Yeah, I like those a lot. I mean, they're not crunchy like a French fry, but they're pretty flavorful. You could leave the slap your mom off if you don't like the heat, but so much for that one. Oh, it fell on my shirt. I'll throw it away. Let's try the fish sandwich. Or Fishwich. I mean, look how thick that sucker is. Good luck trying to find that in any fast food establishment. Oh yeah. Probably would have been good with some lettuce and stuff on it, but I didn't think about it until I got home. Get a little bit of the freshness of the lemon coming through. I like it. It's good. Well, sweet. So, Camping with Steve just loaded a new video today, so I'm gonna turn and watch that while I eat, and then I'll bring you guys back. Well, normally I'm showing the empty plate, but I had some of the potatoes left over because they got cold on me, so I didn't enjoy them. So, bummer. The fish was good though. So anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.